Hey guys, welcome back to Vandingo. This is Scott. Good to be with you. Guess what just showed up from Headlight Experts? The H15s, which is the daytime running lights and high beams. So just about running out of daylight here, but I think I can get these installed. Let's jump on it. End of the day delivery. This is the LED conversion kit for the halogens. And these are the H15s. These have those fans on them, which is common when you make the switch from halogens over to LEDs. And they also have the capacitors on here too. So these are simple install, actually, I think like this, twist in, because it's counterclockwise to take them out. So excited they're here. I didn't show you this. These are little fans on the back to keep them cool. All right, here is the daytime running light / high beam slot. I'm just going to take this off and set it aside. Now, some people I'm seeing online, some other DIYers, because of the heat that's generated inside of here with the LEDs, is they drill a couple, 3 holes in here and then put it back on. I got to look into that a little bit more. I'm not sure if that's the right thing to do, but I think that's an interesting approach. Anyway, I'm going to reach in here, grab, and twist it off. Counterclockwise, and out she comes. There's the halogen, and the 3 prongs on top that came out, right, as you twist it off counterclockwise. Now, let's see how easy this is. There's nothing on these that say driver's side and passenger side. And so here is the LED replacement along with the capacitor. So let's see how that goes in. Okay, I believe that's in. So we're going to put the cap back on. Get the capacitor in there, it's sealed, and I'm going to start this thing up and see how it looks on the other side. Okay, I just put Headlight Experts daytime running lights high beams here. I have, and it's an H15 bulb, and they flicker and then go off, the daytime running lights. These work fine, the low beams, that's an H7 bulb. So something's going on here. Now I'm going to start the car and I think you'll see it happen. I'll go through the cycle. Hey gang, as I got the LEDs installed, one of the things I'm just not satisfied with are the responses I'm getting out of Headlight Experts. So listen, the low beams, the high beams, they're great. The white light versus the halogens, really, really great. I'm a bit of a stickler. The daytime running lights are not operable, and the responses I'm getting back are, hey, just take it to your Mercedes store, take it to somebody, maybe a European auto service technician, and get the system sort of reflashed so it thinks it has LEDs, or that it knows it has LEDs, and it can send the appropriate, I don't know, wattage or amperage or something so that that daytime running light will be operable. Well, called around. Mercedes stores have no idea what Headlight Experts talking about. I called the specialty shops here in my area, I live in the Dallas metro, and they have no idea what that's about. So I feel like I'm getting a little bit of a song and dance because that it's not ringing a bell with any of the people that really know. I mean, I'm a DIYer, I'm online, I'm looking at the bulbs, I'm taking Headlight Experts advice and trying to make those calls. I'm really getting nothing. So that's disappointing because then the daytime running lights just frankly don't work. And that's not what I paid for. That's not what was in the description. So, you know, I'm not sure just yet what I'm going to do about that, but maybe there's some options. So if any of you out there have got some comments or some ideas, maybe I've selected the wrong, you know, service provider and the wrong brand of bulb. Again, as I said, the low beams and the high beams work great and really pleased with the functionality, but I don't have a daytime running light, which I kind of like because that's a safety item. The feds say it's a safety item, where all the vehicles that are being built indicate that it's a safety item. So to put a bulb in that doesn't allow for that functionality, I feel like it's just not right. So anyway, I'm gonna think about whether or not I keep these LEDs in or not, or maybe switch to another provider. Again, if you've got any comments, any ideas or thoughts, let me know. But as it stands right now, I may put the halogens back in because of this loss of functionality. So we'll see, more to come there. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you as a final outcome, or at least current outcome of where I stand with the conversion from halogens to LEDs. So some kinks to work out, but conversion so far, it's about a medium. The light quality is superb. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe and hit that like button. Reach out if you have any questions, and we're gonna work to get this solved with Headlight Experts. Thanks for checking in. Be good. Bye-bye.